What's up, you guys? I know I've been slacking a little bit on the videos, but there's a good reason for that. In December, I unfortunately need to work 7 days a week, but now since the holiday season is over, I have a brand new video for you today. And with that, let's get into today's video because it's a good one, you guys. It's actually an unboxing, a review, and a demo on a brand new flashlight from Imalent. And we're going to start with an unboxing right now. It's an EDC light. It's rugged, it's durable, it's IP68 rated, and this little sucker can pump out 6,000 lumens turbo mode. That's the highest setting, and it is bright. Best part about this light is that it actually has an onboard LED panel readout right here, because many lights on the market don't have an LED panel readout. This way you know exactly which lumens you're set on. And another cool feature about this light is, check this out. You have a red light built in, and it's a strobe light. Another cool thing about this light is that not only does it have 6,000 lumens maximum output power, but you can change it 200, 600, 1400, 3000, 10. Now to activate turbo mode, you double tap. Just double tap the back, and that's 6,000 lumens. And that's bright. And it also has a strobe. But I want to show you how this is outside right now. So let's go. That's 200 lumen. That's 600 lumen. That's 1400 lumen. That's 3,000 lumens, you guys. Look at that. That is so bright. Oh, wow. This is like 100 foot distance, I would say. Maybe 50 feet. Probably 50 feet. And that is 6,000 lumens. That is so bright. Wow. Look at that. Insane. Look how small this thing is. Look at it. It's so tiny. And it has an amazing LED panel readout. That is so cool. Look at that. The night test of the bl70 from Imalent. I love this company, you guys. They make amazing flashlights. I highly recommend this if you want an EDC carry. This thing is amazing. It's just, look how comfortable it is in my hand. Look at that. So, in my opinion, I personally think that this would be the perfect everyday carry light because it's so lightweight. It's not even a pound, and it's just so comfortable. You can hold it for hours, and the battery is very, very generous. I got maybe 3 hours so far out of it, and that wasn't even on a full charge. If you guys are looking for the perfect everyday carry light, definitely check out the bl70 from Imalent. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below, and as always, hit that like button and definitely subscribe, because come February, I'm going to be hanging out with a YouTuber overseas. That's right, you guys. The things I do for you is just wild, and this is actually completely radical. I've never done anything like this in my life, and when the opportunity came knocking, I said, send me home. Because that is right up my alley, and I'm going to take you with me every step of the way. So stay tuned for that. And don't forget to subscribe.